Hi there, this is a video about Uncat for Xero, and I want to highlight a few of the differences with our integration with Xero compared with QuickBooks Online. So first of all, you can watch almost any of our tutorial videos to see how the Uncat dashboard works, firm settings, and client settings. And those are the same across all of the accounting platforms that we support, including Xero. So let me point out then a few differences. If I'm looking at demo company here, which is a Xero client, we'll see this additional column. This is different than QuickBooks Online, and the column is called Update in Xero. And the reason we have this here is because if you have a send receive money transaction that's been reconciled from the bank feed into an uncategorized account in Xero, specifically people tend to use the account suspense, but it could be any account, then Xero locks that transaction to third-party apps. You can't update it from Uncat. As a result, when you make updates to the description, to the account, to any other field here in Uncat and click Save Updates, we will sync those updates into the Notes field on that transaction in Xero, and then you can click this link to go straight to the transaction in Xero and categorize it. So it's an additional step. For other transactions, whether those are quotes, bills, invoices, journal entries, purchase orders, those will show up here and you'll be able to update them straight from Uncat. So if I looked at this transaction, for example, to Petrie McLeod Watson, then I could update the description, I could change the category, and when I click Save Updates, it will update the category and the description directly in Xero on those fields. But for the transaction right above it to Gateway Motors, I can make those same updates, click Save Updates, and it'll go into the Notes field on the transaction, and I would need to click this link to go and update the category in Xero. Hopefully, as the API continues to evolve, we will have support to be able to make those changes from Uncat and sync them through to Xero. But for now, those are a few differences with our integration with Xero. It's still going to save you a tremendous amount of time, obviously, from having to export a spreadsheet of transactions from Xero, manually send them to your client, get answers back, hopefully, eventually, in that spreadsheet, and then manually copy paste them into Xero. Instead, we're going to sync the transactions into Uncat, automatically notify your clients, get the information back from them in Uncat, and then sync them through into Xero so that you can make the category change there. So it's still a huge time saver. I also want to mention that Uncat sync with Xero runs automatically every 60 minutes. However, if you've made a bunch of updates in Xero and you want to see them reflected in Uncat sooner than that, simply click this button for refresh transactions, and that will pull updates from Xero into Uncat faster than the regular hourly sync. Okay, that's it. Like I said at the top, definitely check out the rest of the videos to see how the Uncat dashboard works, firm settings, client settings, all the tricks and tips and best practices for getting the most value out of Uncat. All right, thanks for watching.